Morning geocachers, I hope you're well. I'm currently sat in a graveyard in Bishop Hill in York, and I've just done a cache in here, and I'm about to go off looking for another one. So this next one is called By the River Ouse Bridge. I'll just, rather than show you on the screen, I'll just do a quick screenshot. So as you can see from this screenshot, it's about 200 meters away. Right, let's go looking. One of the great things I like about geocaching is you do get to explore some areas of your local hometown, say. Look at that, it's nice to see all the snowdrops out. You get to explore some areas of your local hometown and see things and find things that you didn't know existed. The hint for this cache is actually danger. And that might well be the case. It might be inaccessible because of the flooding, because I think it's actually around that corner, but I could be wrong. I'm going to go and have a look. So yeah, I have a funny feeling this is going to be inaccessible. But then again, what if it's here? So I have had a really good look for this around here, and I'm really not sure whether it's just something I'm blatantly missing or not. It does say that it's in plain view and there's nothing here, and at eye level, one of the hints is at eye level, and there is absolutely nothing obvious that I can see. And obviously I can't go down there and explore the area further to see if there's another sign that I'm missing. The GPS coordinates say it's actually in the middle of this building, but they're sometimes a little bit out, so I have a funny feeling it might just be inaccessible. So I think we'll go on to the next one. I'm not going to log it as a do not find, just don't think I can get to it. So this is North Street in York, and having abandoned that last one because of the flood, I'm off to go and have a look for one called Are You Geoking Me? By the river. Right, okay, so I'm not that far away, about 200 meters or so. If nothing else, I'm getting a bit of a leg stretch. Oh dear, it's looking like I might have the same problem here too as with the previous one. Road closed due to footage. Due to flooding. It's just through there apparently. I think I'll have a quick look on the other side of the road just to see if it is accessible from the other side. Now according to this, it's actually more by the roadside. That's weird, isn't it? I can't believe it. This one is absolutely brilliant. Oh my god. There's actually two caches here. I'm not sure what's going on. So there's a little tweezer log as well as a large paper log. I'm going to have to try not to, because just over there, that's the river. The river's so far up, so I'm going to have to be careful not to knock this into the river. Well, I am absolutely delighted to find that, especially after the other one that I was unsure I'd be able to, well, considering I didn't think I'd be able to access this. This is definitely going down as one of my favourites. Absolutely superb. Well played. Right, so if you've liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. If you subscribe to the channel, YouTube will let you know when you log in if I've uploaded any new videos. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon.